Okay, so this here is my setup. Like I said, I am going to be prepping this furniture today. I'm going to be puttying some holes and repairing veneer. There is my phone tripod, and there's my clean water with all my rigs in there and my mineral spirits, my working table. That little gadget down there is actually on wheels. It's a tabletop with wheels on the bottom of it. So here we go. I have everything is in here is on wheels, okay? So I can rearrange as I go along. I can move stuff forward and backwards, sideways. My antique mirror right here, this is how I do it. I put it on this table. I've used this table many times, and then I can go, you know, when I'm spraying, I can lift it up. Well, this is a heavy one there. Anyways, it's easier to maneuver it. So that's the only thing not on wheels. This one on wheels. Everything's on wheels. See how I have everything right in a row? On wheels. That has its own wheels. The vanity. And then there's my air conditioner my hub's been put in for me. And over here on this side, of course, I have it all lined up as well. And there's the vanity mirror. Okay, here is my extra bond. I'm going to mix this up, and I'm going to use it I'm going to use it to fill the holes for my knobs. I'm going to have to hand sand that off, so this way I can put like girly knobs on there. They can be interchanged. Whoever buys it can, you know, swap them out or switch them anytime they want to anything they want, really. And then over here, this vanity, George had to fix this. Got a little hole there. I don't know if I got enough down here. I have to wait for it to dry. I've got a couple places of Bondo in there. And there's my glasses. And then with the curio, I also filled one of the holes, so those can have knobs, and you know, you can pick and choose any type of knobs that you want. So, you know, I don't know, that's why I like knobs. So if somebody buys it and they don't like what's on there, it's easy to change it. When there's handles and they're all different sizes, and if you're missing one, it's hard to find a matching and whatnot, you know, and it goes on and on. So there's what I have for the putty so far. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. So this vanity ended up being a little bit more work than I was expecting. As you can see, all the veneer damage to the tops. I had to remove all of that veneer. This is my second added vanity to my original group. Say, check out the veneer damage on this vanity. And here's the mirror that goes along with the vanity. Check this one out. Yes, I have 4. This is the 4th vanity in this group of furniture I will be working on.